Hello guys, happy weekend to all. It's Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is the English edition of our weather analysis for today's Saturday through Monday, March 23 to 25, 2024. And this is a weekend edition of this analysis brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, one of the best schools in Bicol region. Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, sustainable with you. If you're interested to know more about their program, just click on the link here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, just click on the description of this page for more details on the BPI Sustainable with You program. And also, this is brought to you by Avenue Plaza Hotel, one of the best hotels here in the region. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabby Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GraphSat, which we issued yesterday, valid until today's Saturday, and later today we are going to create the weekend GraphSat until Monday. And we have now the Easterlies, so don't be surprised if we are having some light showers across most parts of Luzon, including Bicol region, Eastern Visayas, and Eastern Mindanao. This helps to alleviate the effects of the El Nino, but it's not strong enough to lessen the effects of this, since for the next 6 months we are expecting to have some below average rainfall, even though the El Nino phenomenon will be expected to weaken this coming April, and by May onwards until July, we will be moving into neutral conditions. And it is forecast, just like what I said on our last El Nino update, that beginning July until the end of the year is the development of the La Nina, which means we'll be having above average rainfall in various sections of the country. So just be prepared for this upcoming change of climate in our country. But so far, we are still dealing with the effects of El Nino. And outside of PAR, we are looking at a shallow LPA, which has developed during the past 48 hours. But the good news of this system, although it's starting to spin up, for the next 2 days, it is likely to gradually dissipate near Palau due to unfavorable upper level winds. Increasing wind shear will eventually dissipate the system, as well as not enough warm ocean temperatures that could develop this shallow LPA. So it will just bring some rain showers and thunderstorms across Micronesia for the next few days, and likely by Monday or Tuesday, the leftover of this shallow LPA will be embedded within the Easterlies and could bring some rain showers across the eastern sections of Bicol region, Eastern Visayas, and Mindanao. And if we take a look at the fast animation, here we go. That's the shallow LPA that we are observing, and so far it is not expected to develop. And for the zoom in satellite animation, this is the 12-hour or 6-hour satellite loop, beginning 11 a.m. this morning until 5 p.m. this afternoon. You can clearly see here the low to mid-level cloudiness that could generate some showers, moisture across various sections of Luzon, including parts of Metro Manila, Bicol region, and also smaller sections of Eastern Visayas and Eastern Mindanao. The rest of our country will remain dry and warm, with heat index reaching 40 degrees or above. And if we take a look at the latest wind and pressure forecast from the European model for the next 2 to 3 days. So today there's the shallow LPA swirling to the south of Guam, easterlies across the Philippine Islands. By tomorrow afternoon, continued effect of the easterlies will prevail across the eastern sections of our country, while the LPA beginning to dissipate, transforming into a tropical wave as it nears the area of Palau. And by Monday, it will be completely gone, embedded already into the prevailing trade winds or easterlies. And through Tuesday, we will be experiencing some pleasant weather there will be some showers expected by Monday or Tuesday because of the leftover of that shallow LPA, which is currently to the south of Guam. And here's the rain forecast. So here's the rain showers that we are experiencing right now across various sections of Luzon. By tomorrow Sunday, we expect improving weather across Luzon. The showers will now be transferred across the Visayas and some parts of Mindanao tomorrow afternoon, Sunday. By Monday afternoon, still some showers will be expected in various sections of Visayas and Mindanao, and here's the remnants of that LPA. And on Tuesday, it will bring rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao. That remnants will move into Mindanao, creating some local afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms in most parts of Mindanao. Okay, so that's the forecast. And for the rainfall accumulation forecast, this is valid for the next 3 days until Monday, and most of the rainfall are concentrated across the eastern sections of central and northern Luzon, also across the eastern sections of Bicol region, eastern Visayas, particularly eastern Leyte, as well as the eastern sections of Caraga, particularly Dinagat and Siargao Islands, and Surigao del Norte. So these are the rainfall generated by the Easterlies, and the possibility of the remnants of LPA or shallow LPA, which is located over to the area of Micronesia, and it's expected to bring some remnants rainfall across eastern Visayas and eastern Caraga for the next 3 days. Before we leave you, here's the wave forecast from the European model, valid for the next 3 days until Monday and Tuesday. So across the eastern coastal waters or over the East Philippine Sea, wave heights of up to 2 meters will be expected, while over the eastern coastal waters of Visayas, it will be up to 2.3 meters. Across the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, it will remain calm up to almost 1 meter. The rest of the West Philippine Sea is from 0.5 to 1 meter in wave height, and it's suitable for fishing and sea travel. And if we take a look through Tuesday and throughout the weekend, by tomorrow Sunday, the waves here across the eastern coastal waters of Bicol, eastern Visayas, and northeastern Mindanao will eventually increase up to almost 3 meters. So it will be moderate. The waves will be moderate and slightly dangerous to small sea crafts, while same calm to very slight waves will be expected all throughout the Philippine Sea and the inland waters of our country. By Monday afternoon, the same wave heights here across the east of Luzon, up to 2 meters, while up to 2.5 meters across eastern coastal waters of Visayas. And on Tuesday, we expect it to eventually weaken, and we expect wave heights of only up to 2 meters across the East Philippine Sea, those facing the Pacific Ocean, from eastern Luzon down to eastern Mindanao. Elsewhere, it's good to have some fishing activities and sea travel, while here over the eastern Philippine Sea, it's better to have a much larger ship, okay, or a fishing vessel to have your fishing activities. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest from our wave heights from the European model. That ends our update for this weekend. I hope you're gonna have some great time together with your families, and we'll see you again next week from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying happy weekend to all, happy Palm Sunday tomorrow, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.